And this one, I love this one. This one is number 7. And this one is, again, if you have gifts and skills in If you're a woman who have been searching for small business ideas, then this is the video for you. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Yashika Turner, and on this channel, we talk about small business ideas, side hustle ideas, making money, financial freedom, and personal development for women. Now, I have 10 small business ideas for you. Some are little to no startup costs. They are beginner friendly, and even if you don't have any experience, I'm sure that you will find one of these side hustles that are suitable for you. Now, you're going to take your skills, your expertise, your gifting, and I'm hoping, no, I know that you will find one of these 10 side hustles to start off, hit the ground with, and start making some money. Stick around and stay until the end, because all these 10 small business ideas are different. So I'm sure you don't want to miss the one that is appropriate for your skills and your gifting. So stick around until the end. If you're here to learn about small business ideas and more side hustles, then hit that like button so that I know that these are the types of videos I should be creating for you. And this is crafting. This is if you have the skills and gifting in creating jewelry, beads, necklaces, earrings, and all those things. You can start creating those jewelry, those beads, and you can put them on a platform such as Etsy or even Facebook Marketplace. So this is an easy one to start off with if your passion and your gifting is in designing jewelry, earrings, necklaces, beads, bangles, and all those crafty stuff. Number 2, now you're gonna use your gift in designing, your gifting in storytelling, and you're gonna use this gifting to self-publish children's book. Yes, that's right, children's book. I know you have your kids also who might be interested in this idea and who might be able to tell you the types of book ideas that their friends will be interested in. I know my son, he likes to watch YouTube videos, and he keeps telling me the types of YouTube videos to make, and I'm like, no, but my channel is not for kids, it's for adults. So if you have a child, they can guide you in the type of kids book that they'll be interested in. Now with this, it's easy. You can sign up to Kittle, and you can also use ChatGPT, BookBolt even, to create and design to self-publish your children's reading book. I recently did a video on how to create your own book or to self-publish your own book, as I've done that before. It's not a kid's book, but it's a book that I've self-published myself. Now, things and time has been so much easier. You don't have to wait for somebody to publish your book. You can go ahead and find a platform, design your book, and you can self-publish it up on Amazon KDP. You can go and check that video out after watching this one, of course. Number 3, do you have that charming voice that people always telling you that voice sounds like a podcast voice, or your voice sound like somebody that you can be reading newscasting, broadcasting on the TV shows, and that sort of voice? Did you know that you can be a book narrator, audiobook narrator? Yes, you have that gifting. Monetize that gifting. Go ahead and sign up an account with ACX. Create your profile, upload your sample, your voice sample, whether you're reading something, reading a story, and go ahead and start monetizing that gift right. Number 4 is to be an antique dealer. Now, this is something like retail arbitrage. Am I saying this right? So this is basically buying items for a lower cost and reselling them for a higher cost. Now, some persons, they like antique stuff, antique home decor. I have a cousin, when I go to her house, she has all these antique kerosene oil lamps, seashells, wooden stuff. antique, antique stuff that we will say, some people will call them older stuff, some things from the 1970s, 1960s, but you have millennials like us who are interested in those type of stuff. So you can go around, go to antique boutiques, you can buy them and you can create your own storefront. You can use Etsy if you want to go the more economical way. You can even go to Facebook Marketplace or even Kijiji. So you can resell these products that you buy at a lower cost and reselling them for a higher cost. So that's another good one if you're into antique stuff. Number 5, are you good at music? Are you good at piano, violin, whatever, guitar, drumming? If you have skills, knowledge, and gifting in these areas, why not provide private music lessons? You can go onto Canva, set up your prices, set up your flyers, post them on Facebook Marketplace, post them on your WhatsApp, post them on your Instagram, on your social media platform, and that could be your side hustle, your side business after your 9 to 5. So you schedule a few days during the week where you are taking clients. These can be children, maybe adults, whoever are interested in these lessons, this gifting that you were blessed with. It's not just for you, but it's also to bless somebody else, to share your skills and your gifting with somebody else while making an income for it. Does that sound good? Let me know in the comments if that's your gift. If you've been enjoying this video so far, let me know by hitting the like button so that I know that these business ideas are making sense for you. And if any of these sound, interesting to you and you need more information about this business idea, let me know in the comments so I can elaborate more to take you on a journey of starting, setting up, and getting monetized just for you. And also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can see when that video request is released. Number 6 is career coaching. Have you transitioned from one career to the next? Do you have experience in multiple different careers? Are you able to guide somebody through this career that you have been in? Then why not start up career coaching? And if you are interested in how to start your coaching business, I know I've done several different videos on how to do stuff, but I've not done any as yet on how to be a coach, right? How to start your coaching business. So if you're interested in coaching, let me know in the comments, write coaching, so that I can create a video just for you on how to get started with that coaching business. This one, I love this one. This one is number 7. And this one is, again, if you have gifts and skills in decorating. How about being an event planner and balloon decorator? Now with this one, you can niche down. You can niche for kids. You can niche down for adults. Different events for weddings. Wedding, anything that has wedding attached to it comes with a higher price. Did you know that? Yes, once it's white, once it says wedding, then there's going to be a higher price cap. So you can find your niche, specializing in a niche, and you stick to that niche and you create services to decor that event space. You can even go a notch up by even renting out. So if you have a space maybe in your backyard, or you have a space within like a basement or an area within your home, you can even go a notch up and rent out that space, decorating it with balloons, setting it up for a kid's birthday party, and that is like three different income streams right there, right? So how does that one sound? Let me know in the comments. 8, and this is another favorite one of mine because I'm passionate about food. I'm not sure if you are, but how about being a food content creator? There are several different types of content creator out there, but you can find your niche if you're passionate about food and cooking. Start with setting up on your platform, your platform of choice, whether that's Instagram, TikTok, here on YouTube, start blogging. But you decide on the type of food that you want to create content on. You can even niche down, making it maybe pastry, baking, whatever cuisine, wherever you're from. Say you're an island girl, you're a Jamaican girl, you're a Trinidadian girl, Guyanese, you're an African girl. Whatever your nationality is, you can niche down and you can start creating content around this. I did a whole video about this, how to monetize your gifting and your skills around food. I'll leave that video right here and you can go check it out, of course, after watching this. 9, oh my goodness. I see so many of my sisters with locks, and they are doing it themselves. Why not monetize that gift? Why not monetize your expertise? You have been doing your own hair for 5-10 years. You know the ins and the outs of starting up your lock journey, maintaining your locks, and everything about locks. Why not start up your loctician business right in the comfort of your home? And I know sister locking is a whole different entity, but you don't have to do sister lock. You can start with micro lock, 2-strand twisting, braiding, home coil, whatever it is, you can start your sister lock business. Do you know how much it is for just a consultation? It's over $100. Do you know how much it is for a starter micro lock? Over $1,000. Do you know how much it is for maintenance for a retie? Up to $200, even more than over $200, right? So if you do 1 install per week and maybe say 2 retie per week, that's almost $2,000. So why are you sitting on this gift and you're not marketing and promoting this business while you have the skills and the gifts and the talents? Come on, don't you want an extra $2,000 per week? Yes, no, maybe so. I know you do, because that's why you're watching this video. It's time to get rocking, sis. Number 10. I know you have a car sitting in your garage, parking in your driveway. You're not using it on weekends. How about renting out that car on Turo? Yes, that's a website that you can go sign up, create your account, find out all the information about insurance and all those stuff, and you can put your car up for renting in the days, in the evenings, in the times when you're not using it. And guess what? It doesn't have to be a luxurious car. It can just be an ordinary Kia, an ordinary Honda, Toyota, Mazda, whatever it is, and somebody is dropping in town for the weekend and they need that car for the weekend. They don't have the budget to go to that luxurious BMW or Benz, right? But they just need something within their budget. You have the car in your garage, you're not using it. Go and find out how you can put that car up on Turo to get an extra $1,000 per week. Now, if you enjoyed this video so far, let me know in the comments and let me know what other types of side hustles do you want me to elaborate on. Now, these side hustles, as I said, most of them are zero to no money. So you have no excuses, right? No excuses. You might not have any excuses with starting your own side business, but one step at a time. Go ahead and check out this playlist here where I created several other different types of side hustles that you can start making at least $1,000 extra per week. Bye.